I'll just show you how to pair your mobile phone to the Bluetooth system in this Toyota AYGO. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. I'll see whether it picks it up first of all. I'll try and show you on this camera because I'm not sure whether that camera is going to get it. So nothing coming up. Go to main screen, audio source, phone. There are no telephones paired. Add one now. Yes. That's showing hands-free there. It says device name, my touchscreen. We'll see. Yep, that's changed to my touchscreen. So do that. Bluetooth pairing was successful. Really simple system to use. It's asking me if I want to allow my contacts and favorites to sync. I don't, because I won't be using it again, but you will. Now then, it's also showing here telephone and audio player. I don't want to be getting messages, so that's it. My phone's paired. Now, if I go to tunes, now if I go back to the menu, click on audio source, you see there you've got FM, AM, DAB or Bluetooth audio. We want Bluetooth audio. So there you go, your tune on your phone here is playing through the speakers. If you don't hear it, just hang on. If you see this red triangle and 3 red circles, if you click on that, gives you iPhone or my touch screen. iPhone, obviously it plays through your iPhone, or my touch plays through here. There you go. I didn't realise, but you can also, I did that by accident, you can also fast forward or scroll through your tracks by using this bottom control. Really good system. Excellent.